What is Thonny? Thonny is a free and simple integrated development environment, IDE, mainly designed for learning and programming in Python. It is especially suitable for beginners because it has an easy-to-use interface and allows you to write, run, and debug Python programs in the same place. Main features: Python programming allows you to write and run Python code. Simple execution. Simply click Run or press F5. Debugger helps you find and fix errors in your code. Package management allows you to install Python libraries and modules. Plugin support allows you to add additional functionality through plugins. Cross-platform works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Designed for learning. Its interface is simpler than that of many professional programming environments. How to install Thonny on Linux. Thonny is a simple and intuitive programming environment ideal for learning Python. On many Linux distributions, it can be installed directly through the system's package manager. Installation on Ubuntu and Linux Mint. Open the terminal, update the package list, sudo apt update. Install Thonny, sudo apt install Thonny. Wait for the installation to complete. Installation on Fedora. Open the terminal. Run the following command, sudo dnf install Thonny. Wait until the installation is complete. Installation on Arch Linux. Open the terminal. Run the following command, sudo whack-s Thonny. Confirm the installation when prompted. Starting Thonny. After installation, you can start Thonny in two ways, through the system's application menu or from the terminal using the command Thonny. Testing the installation. In the Thonny window, enter the following code. Print Hello World. Press F5 or click Run to execute the program. If the following message appears, Hello World, it means that Thonny has been installed correctly and is ready to use. Conclusion. Thonny is an excellent tool for learning Python on Linux. Its simple interface makes it easy to write, run, and debug programs, making it a great choice for beginners.